Hi, and welcome to this video about the new Keyword Elite 2.0. I think you're going to be so excited about what this tool can do for your online business because you're going to have the ability to automatically know with certainty if a niche that you're thinking about going into or one that you're already in is going to be profitable, whether it's going to be competitive, how much traffic is available, what the best ads that are running are, what is getting results and what is not, and how to use all that information to make more money, more profits for you, and that means more free time and less stress in your business. And I'm not just going to talk about it, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. We're going to start, and we've got 8 different features inside Keyword Elite 2.0. We're going to start with Keyword Surge. So let's say that you are interested in selling information and building a list for people who are interested in guitar lessons, as a for instance. So you would type your main keyword or phrase into Keyword Surge, and I'm going to type in guitar lessons. Step 2 is you'd select how you would like to find those keywords. We're going to use the Keyword Elite engine, which is a new engine that we've developed that is simply the fastest way to build a massive list of targeted keywords available. And we talk about keywords, all that really means is what are people typing into Google, into MSN, into Bing, into Yahoo? What are they looking for? And that is what we're getting the answers for in this Keyword Surge application. You can also, aside from using the Keyword Elite engine, you can use the old school methods of ask.com, the Google suggestion tool, and so forth. And you can also select how many results to return from each source. This slider goes all the way up to 10,000 results from each source. You'd be hard pressed to find a topic where there are 50,000 individual keywords for it, but if it exists, Keyword Elite will find every single one of them. We're going to go ahead and set this back to about 500 keywords or so and press Start. And immediately Keyword Surge goes and begins finding all these fabulous keywords in the guitar lessons subject area. And just take a look at what's available. Now, some things that we'd like you to notice right off the bat are you can sort by any of these columns. You can sort by the keyword. You can sort by the parent keyword. So let me give you an example of what that means. So if we take a look here, here are some parent keywords that lead to other keyword phrases, and these are the originators, if you will. So we could choose any of these and sort by these particular keywords. Let's say we wanted to choose bass guitar lessons, and the box is automatically checked, and we click OK, and then we only see keywords now and keyword phrases that contain that bass guitar lessons phrase. See how that works? So you can narrow down your list of keywords into a niche, very targeted to a very specific topic, just like that, just that easily. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that filtering just to show you how easy that is to do. You uncheck the box, click OK, and we're done. We're back to our original big list of keywords. You can sort by which resource the keywords were found on. In this example, we're only using the Keyword Elite database, so that's the only one that shows up. You can sort by or filter by the number of words that are in the phrase. So let's say, for instance, you'll see that we've got some 5-word phrases, 4-word phrases. If we just want to sort by the number of words, I simply click there, and we start with our first root keyword, which was guitar lessons, and then we have online guitar lessons, acoustic guitar lessons, and so forth, in increasing number of words in each phrase. Now, probably the one that's going to be most interesting to you is going to be this number of searches per month. I can sort the entire list by the number of searches that are performed each month for that particular keyword or keyword phrase. We can see that the one we started with, guitar lessons, is searched 8,712 times per month. Free guitar lessons is searched 881 times per month. So some other neat things that I can do using the keyword search tool. I've got this big list of keywords, so now what am I going to do with them? Well, for most of us, what we're going to want to do is break these up into ad groups so that we can use Google AdWords to bring traffic to our website based on these keywords. So if I was selling guitar lessons, it would be great for me to get people to my site who were searching for things like online guitar lessons, free online guitar lessons, bass guitar lessons, and so forth. So the way I would do that is simply select one or more of these keywords. So let's say I'm going to select the ones that are getting at least 100 searches per month. I simply select them by holding down the Shift key and clicking, and then I can grab this list and drag it over here to this box and drop it, and I have my keyword list, my main group of keywords. Now that might be one ad group on Google AdWords, depending on how you handle your Google AdWords campaigns. But let's say I wanted to build another list, and that list, let's say, was only going to contain, let's just say only going to contain bass guitar oriented keywords. So I go back over here to my list, and I want to filter on, let's go back to the parent keyword, bass guitar lessons, and I click that checkbox and I click OK. And now I have a list of only keywords and phrases that contain bass guitar lessons. So I can select all those keywords and simply drag that list over into the box. And now I have a list or a group of keywords that all contain that particular phrase. And I also have my main group of keywords that I've already created. And I can break these up into as many groups as I want to just by doing that simple little procedure. Some other stuff you can do that I think you're really going to love. Let's say I wanted to add something to the beginning of each phrase. Like if I wanted to add the word free. So I would simply check this box and type in the word free, and you can see that it's automatically added to the beginning of the keyword phrase. And let's say that I wanted to add something to the end of the keyword phrase. For instance, what if I wanted to localize all of these searches and I wanted people who were looking for guitar lesson information in Seattle, for instance? So I type in Seattle, and that's automatically added to the end of the keyword phrase. So you can see I can triple the size of my keyword list just like that. I can also remove unwanted characters. Let's say that I wanted to, sometimes when we do searches for keywords, we come up with keywords and keyword phrases that contain weird characters like a $sign or the %sign or the ampersand. I can simply enter those into this list and click OK, and those will be removed from all the keyword phrases and clean up my list. And when I'm done, I can take my lists and I can export them as text files right to my desktop, which is really cool because then I can use Google's AdWords Editor, the free tool that they offer for managing your AdWords account, to import all these different groups that I've created straight into my Google AdWords account. Pretty slick, huh? Well, not only is it pretty slick, but you'll notice up here the only tab going is the Keyword Surge tab. That's because this is just one of the applications available inside the all-new Keyword Elite 2.0. And in the other videos that you're about to watch, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of those other apps as well. And I think you're going to be amazed at what you can do with the all-new Keyword Elite 2.0.